everyone. Today is Wednesday. Today, actually from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday today. Every day we have our live show in the afternoon time in channel, and each live show we will show you one of our new designs in 2021. And yesterday and the day before yesterday, we shared two designs. One is VIP manager table, and another one is for general manager table 1.6. And today we want to show you another design. For this design, we can make it for VIP manager, and also we can make it for general manager. This sample we make it by 2 meters. This one we make it by 2 meters, and the standard of almost of our designs. The desktop we make 5 cm thickness for the desktop, and for all of our new designs in this year by new colors, and we make the trip color edge, wooden color, golden color in the middle, and wooden color in the standard. This one 3 piece, office table, side table, and mobile dollar 3 piece. And also, if you need, we can make it fixed dollar and with fixed door and with a side table. We can design for you up to your requirement. This design, as you can see, for the side, for the legs and the middle board, we make it 25 mm thickness. We make it different size of our other tables. This is 2.5 cm thickness, 2.5, and also for the, let me move the coffee table. And for the base of the front part, we make it a base in the middle front between the two legs. The size thickness 2.5, and in the middle we make the background by wooden color, and we make a decoration of the maple white with a decoration. But for production, we will do it a little update to make this one to make it a little bigger. I think to make it a little bigger. When we have production, we will do it update. And in the middle for the base, we make it a white line to make a decoration. This is like something in the sky, and this is like something in the floor. This one. And for the two sides, we make the background by wooden color, and for the CNC part, we make a new CNC. We make a special one for this one. As you can see, for the down, we make two lines as a decoration, and for here, we make it a bigger one, smaller, bigger, smaller, and also from here, this is smaller. This is one size. This two smaller. This three more smaller. We do it like as this because we want to make it each of our table. When you look at each of our designs, we hope that you can feel it like a 3D, not flat. You can feel it. It's not flat. It's a 3D. This one. This is what we are doing, and aluminum standard for 2 pieces and aluminum covers. This is the aluminum. And this is the office table. We do it as well. This is one of our new design for this year. For this one, we can make it both for VIP manager by 2.4 meter, and also we make it for general manager 1.6, 1.8, and 2 meters also. Together, this is a coffee table. This coffee table size 60 by 60. This is our normal or standard. This is our standard coffee table, and this coffee table can match for all of our production. And we make the coffee table top cover a little of the leg. You can feel this is from downside the base and of the dark base leg and the top, we can feel this like a house. This is a coffee table, and as the cabinet for this one, we make it a normal cabinet for this one, standard 4 doors cabinet, 1.6, and the height is 1.2 meter high, 1.2 meter high. And for the front, this one we didn't make any decoration on the wooden door. Just we make the color match, and also we can make this flower on this door. We can make this one on this door to make a decoration to match the office table, the VIP table. This is what we are doing for this year, and tomorrow we will all of our designs we already put in our showroom. And if you are in China, and if you have friends in your office or your agent in China, you can please ask them come to visit our showroom to check for all more designs, because each day we put one design on Facebook each day. Actually, this is here just is a few part. This is just a few part of our production, and we have many new designs for this year. And we have the photos, and some of the design we are on production, and some of the design we have the samples, some of the design we already finished. And you can contact with us to check with us more information about our new designs, about our production for this year. This is for this one, and we will post this more details photos of this design on Facebook page and on our WeChat moment, and we hope you can send us a message. You can check with us about the price. Price is not high, I can tell you. The price, some of the design price is not high, some of the design price is a little higher because of the cost. Actually, we give our customer the price not based on the designs. Sometimes the new design expensive, not old design cheaper. But for us, we just check about how much the material we use, and we check how much salary we pay the workers to make each table. Our profit is normal, is standard, little profit, and we make each design special. We make each design special, and we check our cost. We give the customer the price based on the material, how much we use, based on the salary, how much we pay for the workers. This is what we are doing every day, and step by step we will have more designs to show, post on Facebook, and please contact with us for more information about us. Okay, this is for today. Let's see you tomorrow, my friend. Thank you.